Here's a classy update to an old-time college favorite, caramel apple Jell-O shots. To make them, you'll need apples, caramel Jell-O, a little fresh lemon juice, and booze. Use Granny Smith apples. Cut each apple in half, then scoop out the inside with a melon baller or something similar. Brush all the cut surfaces with lemon juice to prevent browning, then set them in a muffin tin. Next, make the caramel Jell-O using the recipe on BuzzFeed. Here's where you add the booze: vodka if you don't really want to taste the booze, bourbon if you want a little kick, or gin if you want to make it taste like crap. Pour the Jell-O into the apple cups, then put them in the fridge for at least a few hours. When they've set and you're ready to serve, pull them out of the fridge and slice each apple cup in half and then in half again. And there you go, caramel apple Jell-O shots. A treat that reminds you of the caramel apples of your youth with just a hint of Frat House.